Hello everyone, this is the engineering shoutout and we're going to roam here in PIT asking questions about what is their opinion in PIT turn into PPSU. I'm so excited, let's go! Mr. Bruneldo, what do you think about PIT being turned into for me, I agree because in the first place, PIT will become a university. So it's a big deal for the school. If that will happen, that PIT will become PPSU, there are lots of opportunity for the students and it will be good for them. When everybody heard that PIT will become PPSU, the graduating high school students will be interested for it is a university known for a quality education. Thank you, Mr. Brigilda. Mr. Google, what do you think about PIT turning to PPSU?
It's good for me that PIT will come back into this issue so that our school will be promoted. If our school will be promoted, yes, there will courses will come up, just like in civil, SAA, genetic engineering, and other several courses. And it is a big chance or even opportunity to us to enhance our school to become a university someday. Thank you.
Okay?
Thank you.
Sir Ragdaw, what do you think about PIT will be turned into PPSU?
I agree that PIT turns to PPSU because I believe that a tertiary school should be a university. If PIT turns to university, it will be good to the students because university school provides advanced education, higher technological, professional instructors, and they will offer more courses for the students. And as a university, our school will have more machinery equipment and more facilities for the students. And for that, our school will produce a good quality of education.
Thank you, Mr. Ragda. For the time. Mr. Gonzalez, do you agree about PIT being turned into PPSU?
For me, yes, I agree. If our school PIT will be turned to PPSU, it's a great advantage, not just in our school to be popular, but to the students as well. Because I believe that two students who graduated from university school have advantage standing in a good job.
Thank you, Mr. Gonzalez. Sir, what do you think about students being turned into PPSU? For me, as a PIT student, I prefer to PIT as a PPSU because it's the opportunity to enhance in our town and the big advantage of being university of the particular schools and are a lot of courses to be recommended. Of course, we have to choose or have an option in what we want in our lives. Unlike PIT remains in what it is. The people who want to light and better professions like criminology, nurse, and civil engineers and so on must be from a well-known school. So, Mr. Gatasan, what do you think about PIT will be turned into PPSU?
No, I do not agree that PIT turns into university because I heard that if a school turns into university, the future is at stake. And I do believe that university is not the basis to students' knowledge, independent student who work hard.
Thank you, Mr. Kapang. Mr. Arsenal, what do you think about PIT will turn into PPC? For me, if PIT will be converted as a state university, it will be more upgraded and more advanced. And more students will become coming here in Palumpon, so our town will become famous. And also, Palumpon will have its own state university as what other cities and municipalities in our country. As a state university, PIT will be competitive as what other state universities do. Mr. Dale Muñoz, could you please help us to get an interview from Mrs. Maria Hotel? Yeah, sure, why not? I'll be glad to help you. Good evening, ma'am. From the issue of converting PIT to PPSU, what is your opinion?
Well, in answering that question, giving back the question is, which sounds better for you? State university?
For me, ma'am, it sounds better is the state university.
Believe that when PIT becomes PBS, along with Polytechnic State University, has actually improved, has done a long better than before. So, in terms of what? There is a transformation in terms of building, in terms of quality education, excellence in teaching, excellence in the performances of the different students, especially in the field of science. There will be more top-notchers, more intellectual students or intelligent students like you. So, but then we need to follow some regulations, some policies, and that policy is to finish and complete all accreditation requirements. So you will never be given the status of university until we pass all the requirements of CHEC, the Commission on Higher Education. We need to finish that before we become a complete university. It's going to be exciting because there will be a lot.
Higher than an institute. So it's always a welcome development. All the time we will be very happy for that.